Hi everyone, it's Mao from Sparkly Belly. In my last videos, I shared with you the beaded sleeves and the swag to attach to your skirt, and I thought adding matching tassels will be fun for this costume. So in this video, you'll see how to create and add this tassel to your costume. Let's get started. To make a beaded tassel, you need a pattern. I drew my own pattern, but you can save time and get this pattern from my blog for free, and the link is in the description. Print it out and have it ready. Button thread. Since the beads will be dangling from the costume, it's best to use thick thread like button thread. Beads. You can find out how many of what beads I used on my blog. The link is in the description. And a hand sewing needle. First, place the material you want to add a tassel to on top of my pattern. I'm adding a tassel to an applique, but you can sew on the tassel directly to the bottom edge of your bra or belt. It's up to you. Place it so that the length is exactly what you like for your tassel. You can mark the bottom edge on the pattern here as well, so you know exactly where to place your applique on this pattern. Double thread your needle and tie a knot. And start stringing beads like this. First, use a small C bead to anchor the bottom. If you can, go through this bead twice, and the second time go through the loop so it's extra secure. Then add the rest of the beads to your liking. Generally, it looks nice to have larger beads towards the bottom. For this one, I used different shapes and sizes at the bottom and seed beads for the rest. Keep stringing beads until you reach the center length on the pattern. Then take the needle through to the center bottom to the back of the material. Here, make sure the beads are not too tight and have a little wiggle room for them to move smoothly. Then take a little fabric and tie a good knot on the back. Repeat for other strands. I repeated the same order for beads and just adjusted the length with the C beads. If you use large beads, other strands will be in your way when you place them on the pattern, so just move them and follow the corresponding line on the pattern to figure out the length and where to attach the strand. Key is to follow the lines on the pattern to keep track of the lengths of the strands, and you get this nice V-shaped tassel. And your beaded tassel is complete. It's super easy. I made 5 strands for this one to attach to my bra. It's about 2 inches long at the longest point. And the one for my skirt is longer, about 3 inches at the longest point, and has 7 strands. You can make more to add to other places, and of course, add or use fewer strands if you like. These tassels really highlight your dance movements more and make your costume look more fun and polished. Now combine the tassels and the sleeves and the swags and use your favorite beads and make your very own costume. If you're curious about how to make the appliques I use for this costume, I have a kit you can get in my upcoming online store. I'm super excited about it. Check the link in the description to learn more about it. Hope you like this DIY beaded tassel, and if you did, please share this tutorial with your crafty dancer friends. They'll appreciate the idea. And if you want to learn how to make belly dance costumes, but if you're not sure where to start, check out my free course, Belly Dance Costume Making 101, from the link in the description. Thanks for watching and keep sparkling!